Hello, sixth grade band. Here is our assignment for Thursday and Friday. Man, this week is flying by. All right, assignments folder. Go to the very bottom. Digital learning for April 20th through the 24th. And then our assignment for the 23rd and the 24th. Okay. And here is our instructions sheet. Let me click on that guy. First off, you'll be starting with a smart music, or not smart music, sight reading factory assignment. Okay, another just 4 measure thing, just to practice some sight reading, get warmed up, and is worth 5 participation points. And that is due at the end of the day on Friday, April 24th. Okay, so for smart music, we'll be continuing with Aftershock today. Last week we worked on Thursday and Friday on this piece, and we did the beginning to measure 23. Today we're going to extend that and play from the beginning to measure 31. So we'll have a new section of 23 to 31. Okay, so beginning to measure 31 is assigned to you in Smart Music. This will be due on Saturday, April 25th, by the end of the day. Okay, so for the beginning to 23, as you can see on this document here, I want you to review notes from our last assignment. Actually, that should say smart music. I want you to go back and look at your assignment from last Friday and look at any comments that I offer you, maybe suggestions as to what you can practice or what you can do. Okay. I also want you to look at where you got a lot of red and yellow notes. Red notes are when you have the incorrect pitch, and yellow notes are when you play a note too early or too late. Okay. So try to look at those things. And if you have a spot where you have a lot of errors, practice that and try to fix that and get more green notes. The goal is more green notes. Okay. Then we will do measure 23 to 31. Okay. Most of the higher instruments have the same rhythm in this section. We have different notes, and the notes really shouldn't be a problem. They're not really that confusing at all. But I have the horn part pulled up here, and again, like all the like flutes, clarinets, saxophones, trumpet, and horn all have this rhythm here at 23. Okay, we have 2/8 notes, quarter note, 2/8 notes, quarter notes, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, in the next measure, we have the opposite of that. We have a quarter note, then 2/8 notes, quarter note, then 2/8 notes. So our quarter notes are on counts 1 and 3, and our eighth notes are on count 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. So your rhythm for these two measures back to back are 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. Okay, and this is a pattern that kind of repeats. Okay, so don't get caught up by the rhythm. Make sure that you're really focusing on when you have eighth notes, when you have quarter notes, and then there's a couple half notes in here. Make sure that you're holding those for a full 2 counts. Okay. And then there's forte, so play it loud and confidently. Also, repeat. Okay, the repeat, once you get to 31, it repeats back to measure 23. Okay, now let's take a look at a lower part. Let's take a look at the euphonium part. By the way, euphonium would be the same as trombone or a baritone. Okay, so euphonium, baritone, same thing. You'll also notice when we see the top of this music, it's going to say trombone, euphonium, and bassoon. Okay, so that's actually the same part. Okay, trombone, baritone, or euphonium, and bassoon. Those are all the same parts. Okay, if I look at 23 to 31 for that instrument group, okay, we have rest, quarter note, rest, 4, 1, rest, 3, rest, 1, 2, 4, 2, 3, 4. So for you guys, it's going to be super, super important that you focus on when you have rest, okay, and not playing during the rest. If you have a red note that shows up during a rest, do it again, okay, because there's a rest there. You're not supposed to be playing on that count, okay. Also, because of our key signature, because we have these flats here, okay, the third flat means that all A's are flat. So hey, look here, that's an A, so that's going to be A flat, okay. I'm having trouble clicking on it though. Oh, it clicked up here for some reason. Notice that A flat is first valve for baritone, and it'll also be for tuba. And then for trombone, it's going to be third position. Okay, so let me know if you guys have any questions on any of that. And yeah, happy practicing and good luck.